We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
A lot of Hakka old people have farmed all their lives and have no pensions or financial security, except for what their family may provide. The short film, The Last 32 Hours, 最后32小时, tells of Xu Mama, a middle-aged Hakka woman who had always worked the land or sowed produce for a living. For a short period, the local town authority had a budget to employ road sweepers around the area, and Xu Mama enjoyed the camaraderie of going out to work with the other sweepers, and the relatively easy work where she earned 800 NT a day. However, the budget was cut, and she had to face unemployment or farm labor again. This film follows Xu Mama at her last week of work, out in the early morning, chatting with her sweeping team and wondering what the future may hold.
Hello everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson of the day. Ngài hey Joseph Ling.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
Okay, we talk about food a lot over the last few episodes. And every time we talk about food, 都是一些肉类的东西啊。从客家小炒那个时候，然后谈到最近有谈到一些泰国料理啊、日本料理，都是比较肉食的感觉哈。So why don't we teach people how to say, you should eat more veggies, vegetables, and fruits. Consume more of that. It's healthier.
大家記得多食青菜、水果，身體才會健康。
健康？
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 唔係健康。
健康是什麼？
健康，健康。
Oh, 就健康 healthy. Okay, that's the conclusion. Okay, so what Alice just taught us is remember to eat more veggies and fruits, and then you will have a healthier body. So let's break that up.
大家記得。
大家記得 just means everybody remember.
多食青菜。
多食青菜。Oh, that means eat more vegetable. 多吃青菜的哈。水果就是水果。fruits 啊。
身體才會健康。
身體才會健康。Okay, so I think the key words 蔬菜 vegetables 再一次。
青菜。
OK, 青菜是青菜，其實它不是蔬菜。國語的話就青菜，就聽起來有點像青菜。那水果呢 fruits
水果。
然後最後健康 that's healthy. So there you have it. Do eat more veggies and fibers and all the fruits you can consume, and you'll have a healthier life. I'm Joseph Lin. That's our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.